Oh, hey there. Today I'm going to be letting you know 5 reasons why you need a personal branding photo. First of all, we want to know who is behind the brand. We want to see the mastermind. We want to see, the energetic, the prosperous mind behind a brand. And so, therefore, it is essential for you to have a personal branding or a corporate branding photo. The second reason will be it will help you to evaluate your brand from time to time. Some of those photos that you just take sitting and then you're in this vision mode, you're in this majestic mode. So looking at that photo over time just helps you to, pinpoint or just brainstorm about your vision, the essence of the brand, the essence of starting the brand. And I tell you, it can come in handy during a very trying time or a trying season of work and all that stuff. It just helps you to just think, oh, why did I start this brand in the first place? What is the purpose? Why did I want to do this? And trust me, it can come in really, really, really helpful. The third tip is personal branding. Professional personal branding photos will help you during speaking engagement. So when you're called upon to give a speech or, a conference and, what have you, you will need to be presented, on that screen with a professional photo. Your introductory call will already have your photos, and that photo already speaks like 1,000 words to the mind of the people that you're coming to relate with about who's this person we're about to meet. It creates this sense of mystery, and then when you come up, it just takes it to another level. The fourth reason why you need a professional photo, it creates a personality about you. Okay, so it just tells people that, this is this about this person. That word that, a photo speaks 1,000 words to its viewers. So it just tells people something about you. It could be speaking courage, it could be speaking leadership, it could be speaking promise kept, it could be speaking excellence. It could tell a lot of things to people about you even before they ever meet you. The fifth reason why you need a personal branding photo creates a sort of uniqueness and welcoming spirit when people come to do business with you. So when they come and then they see that photo of you, they are very enthusiastic. They want to do business with this person, with this personality that I can already see, and they already have this vision. Oh, this person will be lovely, welcoming, just from your photos. All right, so these are 5 very important reasons why you need personal branding photos. If you're a business owner, expert, or an influencer, then you will love this free gifts that I have for you. DM and comment with the word gifts in the comment section, and I will send you my premium personal branding mood board, which includes styling, hairstyles, haircuts, arrangement, coordinations that you will need to execute a perfect personal branding or corporate branding photo.